Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in Windows laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's get started. So if you want to enable dark mode or turn on and off dark mode here on your PC or laptop, you just have to go to your settings and then look for personalization. Tap on personalization right here. This is where you can see the background, colors, and so on. What you're going to do is you have to tap on colors. And here on colors section, you should see the following here. Here you will see different options, but what you're going to do is you have to simply look for choose your default app mode. So once you are here on your default app mode, you have to enable or tap on the dark option to enable dark mode in Windows laptop. You could also tap light if you want to turn or enable light mode. So if you exit your settings here, particularly in personalization, and go to other sections here on your laptop or Windows, like go to folders, go to desktop, and so on, you should see that the dark mode has been enabled. To change that, just go again to colors, change this to light, or custom the color right here. But basically, that's how easy it is to enable mode in Windows laptop. Just go to settings, go to personalization, go to colors, and then select dark. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.